Okay, what is Nernst equation? What are the applications are there? Especially in the electrochemistry, several applications is there. If you go through all the applications, something will be beneficial for your knowledge. Okay, just think about oxidation and reduction. Only two things. Nernst equation completely based on electron transfer. That is going to oxidize and going to reduce. Okay, what is the reaction for unknown metals? Okay, if you are using some metal as electrode, you can find the oxidation rate. Okay, the overall cell reduction potential or oxidation potential, you can find it with whole things. Okay, that's mentioned the E0. The cell electromotive series, based on the series, we can study about this Nernst equation.
In first unit electrochemistry, and we went for electroplating. What is electroplating? I understand it. Danusha. Electroplating is a process that uses an electric current with the coating with a thin layer of electric metal. Next slide. How electroplating works? Electrolyte solution contains metal ions. The plating material, example copper sulfate or copper plating, and positive electrode made up of metal to be deposited. Dissolves into the electrolyte supplying metal ions. Cathode is an electron. The objective plated metal ions in the solution are attracted and deposited on its surface. Electric current, when current is applied, metal ions move towards the cathode. Cold electroplating. The innovating application and sustainable practice of gold electroplating. இது வந்துட்டு இந்த கோல்டு வந்துட்டு ரியலா காமிக்கும். எப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு real world project dealing the challenges, solution and outcomes achieved.
ஓகே, எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து எலக்ட்ரோப்ளேட்டிங்னா என்னன்னு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைச்சிருக்கும். ஸோ இதை வந்து ஒரு கேஸ் ஸ்டடியாக பார்க்க போகிறோம். கேஸ் ஸ்டடின்னு என்னன்னா ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து எலக்ட்ரோப்ளேட்டிங்னா என்னன்னு ஓகே, இதில் வந்து the project overview is specific electroplating challenge. The challenge was to improve the uniformity and addition of gold plating on complex geometries. So the project mainly focused on plating small components used in high frequency communication devices. இதில் என்னென்ன மெத்தட்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்னா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் to identify the problem, which is uneven coatings on the component, and second one to define the scope, which high frequency communication device use பண்ணுவோம், and the third one to set a goal, improve uniformity and addition. Methodology என்னன்னா to optimizing the electroplating process. So the team employed pulse electroplating and optimized the electrolyte composition. So this involved adjusting the gold concentration, pH and additives. Computational fluid dynamics (CFD) was used to stimulate electrolyte flow and optimize the electrode placement. So three process overall: pulse plating, second one electrolyte optimization, and the third one CFD simulation. The result வந்து achieving a superior coating quality. The optimized process and the previous three process use பண்ணி ஒரு result கொடுப்போம். The 40% improvement in coating and 25% increase in addition and surface roughness and reduced by 15%. Enhancing signal transmission, அது வந்து 30% reduction.
electroplating is actually used for idhula sonna mari gold plating kaga they are using it. And after seeing all those overview and whatever the methodology and stuff, now we are going to cost analysis. That is nothing but evaluating the economic viability. So whenever we go into something, we always look for cost, right? How much it is affordable for us or whatever it is. So now the initial investment in CFD. CFD is nothing but computational fluid dynamics, and that is nothing else. It is used for fluid flow, ion transport and electrochemical reaction, plating uniformity and efficiency. So it is a CFD software and process optimization, yields significant cost savings, reduced rejection rates and improved material. Rejection rates is nothing but it actually helps to resolve the problem. அதாவது ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்கிறது அந்த எலக்ட்ரோப்ளேட்டிங்ல நிறைய வேஸ்டேஜ் வரும். அதோட இது வந்து அந்த ரிஜெக்ஷன் ரேட். இப்போ வந்து ஒரு just imagine you're covering something, a gold or something else. So அதுல வந்து there will be so many wastage and so many other particles that will be used in that. So when a prior or a proper company, when it analyzes the product, they will be rejecting stuffs. So by using this electroplating method, the rejection rate actually reduces. The rejection rate actually reduces about $20,000 and material utilization reduces about $10,000 and labor hours less than $10,000. That means அந்த அளவுக்கு there is a reduction. So the cost analysis is very useful and it is viable for most of the users. Then after in this case study, after doing all those researches, next is environmental impact. It is a sustainable electroplating practice and the optimized process reduced gold usage by about 12% and wastage generation about 20%. So it is very useful and it will not harm environment. So it can be used anywhere. And implementing a closed loop recycling system for electrolytes further minimize environmental impact. The company achieved compliance with stricter environmental regulations. So it's actually a graph, I think it's not visible. So the first one is reduced gold use, less material consumption. எவ்வளோ கம்மியா இருக்குதோ அவ்வளோ it is gain னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே மாதிரி environmentக்குமே வந்து it is not harmful. And second one is wastage reduction. So electroplating method use பண்ணா wastage reduction நல்லாவே கம்மி பண்ணலாம். Third one is recycling system.